Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to make an Instagram post. Creating a post on Instagram is a straightforward process that allows you to share photos, videos, stories and more with your followers. Whether you're a business owner, an influencer or a casual user, knowing how to make a post on Instagram can help you effectively engage with your audience. In this full guide, I'll walk you through the process or the step-by-step process of creating a post on Instagram. So just make sure you follow me to the end of this video, and also if this video is helpful to you, do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment. So let's get started. The first step you have to take is to go over to your Instagram app. So let me tap on my Instagram app to open it up real quick. You can see guys, the Instagram is opening up, the Instagram app. So you guys can see it has opened up. So after this, now the next step you have to take now in order to make a post on Instagram is to tap on the plus icon. You can see down there, so let me tap on the plus icon. Right here, this is where you're going to be able to make your Instagram post. As you can see down there, those are the photos in my phone gallery, in my camera roll. So you can scroll upwards now to see all the photos that you have. So you can use any of this image right here to make your Instagram post. So what you have to do is to select the one that you want. So let me select one of it real quick. Let me select this one right here. You can see I've selected one of the posts now, one of the image that I want to use to make the Instagram post. And also let me mention this, you can select multiple photos if you want. What you have to do now is to tap on that icon that you can see right there on the right hand side. So let me tap on the icon right away. That's to select multiple photo. So let me tap on it. You can see now I can now select multiple photos. So let me tap on this one. You can see I've selected 2 photos, 3 photo, 4 photo. This is the 5th one. This is the 6th one. So this is how you can actually select multiple photo. So guys, I don't want to post multiple photo, so let me tap on the icon again to remove it. You can see I've removed it. So let me tap on the single image that I want to post. So guys, now there's a single image. So what you have to do now is to tap on next. But before I tap on it, you can see down there, you can see what is written down there. It says post. You can see post is already selected. That's because I want to make an Instagram post. But if you want to make a story, if you want to post a story, you have to tap on story. If you want to post a reel, then you tap on reel. And if you want to post, if you want to go live, there is scroll. You can see where it is written live. Then you go on live if you want to. So guys, this is about making a post. So let me go back to the post. Then let me select back the single image I want to use. This is the image I want to use. So what I have to do now is to tap on next. So let me tap on next. Then right here, this is where you have to do some editing. So you can either add text, you can add overlay, you can add filter. So let me tap on the edit icon. Let me increase the brightness, the sharpness, the saturation. Let me tap on saturation. Let me increase the saturation. You can see you can increase the saturation. Let me leave it at this. Then let me tap on done. Let me tap on edit again. Let me go and increase the sharpness. Let me tap on sharpness. Then let me increase it. Let me tap on done. And also you can add audio. You can add the music if you want to. Just tap on audio. Let me tap on audio. You can see these are various music that you can actually add to the picture if you want to make your post. You can see trending. You can see trending music right here. You can see trending music. Just go ahead to select the one that you want. After that, they can add text if you want to. You can see where it's written text. If you want to add text, you can add text. Let me show you. You can see. You can decide to add text. Let me just add something and write beautiful. You can see you can choose a color that you want. You can see. You can see this is the beautiful. You can adjust it to wherever you want to adjust it to. But I don't want this image, so I don't want this text. So let me delete it. Let me delete it real quick. You can see I've deleted it. So after you're done with all of this, what you have to do next is to tap on next. So let me tap on next. You can see guys, it's processing. So guys, now you can see it's done processing. So now the next step you have to take now is to add a caption. That means the write-up to your post. If you have a write-up that you want to post along with the photo, then you have to input it right there by tapping on add caption. So let me tap on it. Then let me add my caption. I've copied something already. Let me paste it. You can see guys, I've pasted what I want to use as my caption. This is it right here. So now the next step now is to scroll down. You can see right here, here's the next step. It says add music. If you want to add your music like I showed you earlier on, you can also add music right here. If you want to tag anyone, you can tap on where it is written tag people. Maybe you can tag some of your followers or maybe any celebrity. And also if you want to add your location, maybe where you're posting from, just tap on add location. They'll be good to go. Let me scroll down. Then on audience, you can see where it is written audience. Let me tap on it. You can see, guys, I chose everyone. That means everyone can actually see this post that I want to make. But if you want to narrow it down to your close friends, then you have to choose close friends. Then after that, you have to add the close friends that you want them to see the post. But I want everyone to see it, everyone in the public to see it. So let me leave it at that. Let me go back now. Then after that, you can see where it is written share on. So if you've linked your Facebook account to your Instagram, you can actually select share on your Facebook account. So let me tap on this so I show you guys. You can see, guys, it says change where you share on Facebook to reach your preferred audience. So guys can see I've selected that this post should be shared to my Facebook page. You can see it right there. My Facebook page has been selected, so that's it. If I don't want that, then I'll have to toggle it off. Then this post will not be shared to my Facebook page, but I want it to be shared to my Facebook page. So let me go back now. So after you're done with all of this, what you simply have to do now is to tap on share. But in case you want to see other options, you can see it's written more options. You can tap on it. So these are more options. If you want to boost your post, which will have to do with advertisement, so you have to pay for it. You can see other options. It says add reminder, so you can add a reminder. You can boost the post. Maybe it has to do with running an ad, running an advertisement. You have to schedule your post. If you want to schedule your post, if you want to turn off commenting and the rest of it, if you want to hide the like count, you can see there are various options that you can actually check out here. So let me go back now. So after you're done with all of this, what you simply have to do now is to tap on share. So let me tap on share right away so that this Instagram post is going to be made public. Let me tap on it. You can see it right there. It says posting. You can see posted, way to go. You can see they say I should rate Instagram. Maybe I'll do that later. Let me tap on remind me later. You can see right here, guys, this is the post I just made right now. You can see this is the post. You can see the write up there. Let me tap on more. You can see this is the write up. This is right up, so I can decide to boost the post if I want to. If I want to view the insight, I'll tap on view insight, then I'll be able to see insight and the rest of it. So guys, this I can be able to make your post on Instagram, and I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye.